Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all KSUPY students. Welcome to another grammar animation video. This lesson is about present simple and is an intermediate lesson. When we talk about the present simple, there are three types. We use it for repeated action, a fact, and a scheduled event. A repeated action is a habit, hobby, or a daily event that we do every day. A fact is something that is always true. And a scheduled event is something that's happening in the near future. Let's start with repeated action. Here is a timeline of events in the past, present, and future. So, I play tennis. When is this action happening? It happened in the past, it's happening now, and it will happen in the future. It's a habit. It's something that happens all the time. A fact is something that is always true. So again, we have the past, present, and future. Riyadh is the capital of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This action is happening all the time. It doesn't change. So we have a line representing the action. And finally, we have scheduled event. A scheduled event is something happening in the near future. So the plane leaves tonight at 6 p.m. This action is happening in the near future, and we use the present simple to signify this event. So let's have the form. We have subject and then the verb. The subjects I, you, we, and they. We use the verb in the base. So we have I, or you, or we, or they live in Riyadh. I play in the park. They write in the book. For he, she, and it, we have the same form, but we add s on the verb. So he, she, it lives in Riyadh. She drinks coffee in the morning, every morning, and it wakes me up from sleep. So, for example, my alarm wakes me up from sleep. For the negative, for the above subjects, I, you, we, and they, we use don't. So, I, you, we, they don't live in Riyadh. I don't play in the park, and they don't write in the book. For he, she, and it, we use doesn't, and also the verb loses the s. So he, she, it doesn't live in Riyadh. She doesn't drink coffee every morning, and it doesn't wake me up from sleep. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to give the answers. Number 1. Ahmed and knife, space, twice a week. Is it meet, meets, or to meet? I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this. The answer is meet. So, if you got it right, well done. Okay, the next question. It, space, makes sense. Is it don't make, doesn't makes, or doesn't make? I'll give you 10 seconds. The answer is doesn't make. It doesn't make sense. Excellent. Well done if you got it right. Thank you so much for listening and watching and taking part. Until we meet again in another grammar animation video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.